Today, we're going to follow a group of international builders with zero professional experience.
We're not like real certified contractors. Whoa. So backwards.
To see if they have what it takes to build a castle.
We're trying to build the biggest castle.
The bolts have gotten loose.
50 tons of material. And they're gonna try to do it in 14 days. Why? Because it's the American way. This is American Castle.
Oh man.
Right now my confidence is at an all-time high. I feel like everything is going the right direction.
$96 hours in. Day 4.
Yeah. I actually didn't think we'd lay the foundation the first day, but we did that. So it's like, you know, we had a lot of like little wins, even though we didn't complete it in 3 days. We still got the ball rolling, got the machines working. We found the laborers to help.
I certainly believe a job like this keeps me young. It's not like I do that every day. I think if you really do this job every day, you at a certain point wear and tear down your body. But this is, I believe, what the doctor prescribed.
Well, you're supposed to use water. The videos I saw online, no one else uses water, but then the blade started overheating and warping, and then it caused a lot of problems. So water you can cut a little quicker. So yeah, you should use water. I don't know why people on the internet with this thing don't use water, to be honest. Maybe they don't have access to it, but yeah, you can go quicker with water. Today, one blade is working good. I'm using the right welding stick. The second blade, though, is not. A few teeth fall off every row, so I kind of got to figure that one out. So I didn't actually know how to weld until like a few weeks ago. I actually still don't. So I welded all the teeth on. First time completely wrong. Second time better. The good thing is you can just keep welding them back on as they break off, but not the best solution.
On a project like this, like with all the machines we have around here, you deal with even electrical machines and this, and you know that it's not working. Crash. I didn't use the right tool. I show you which one I'm supposed to use. My mistake. This is the tool I'm supposed to use.
My philosophy is attack the problems early and often. If a project is going to have problems, you might as well just know all the problems at the beginning. So trying to try everything, trying to fail as fast as possible and as often as possible to figure out where the obstacles are and how to get around them.
¿Qué haces? ¿Qué haces?
Oh, estamos aquí construyendo, fabricando el castillo. We building a beautiful castle.
A beautiful castle.
A acompañarlo a hacer el trabajo que quede bien, acomodando las piedras a su forma de lo más natural que sea. Que venga la roca y que cumple el objetivo que se está haciendo el castillo.
Y muy difícil y
No, it's not difficult because it's sometimes it's more heavy. It's heavy. It's heavy. The rope is heavy, but no problem. In beginning, I think it's a wonderful casting.
Tú eres a las 5:30.
Como que dice que
Mide 5 y medio pies.
por ahí estoy.
¿Cuántos marcos?
Uno,
Oh,
I think
la chula que va a tener.
two or three marcos.
2 or 3 Marcos. A-team over here. Are you recording?
I know.
Okay, well, we got the A-team over here. We're going to take a little break. We're going to catch them in their live element. And look at these guys, all three of them, they're together. Kind of not even talking, but yet totally communicating. There's probably 50 people in the entire country that would have the ability or the guts to come out here and build a castle from scratch. And you're looking at 3 of them. I mean, what are the odds of that? You want to do them one by one, or?
This one's pretty light, so.
Yeah, drop it. Then we drop it one more time and just keep rolling until we get there. Yeah. You ever see those tough man contests on like ESPN 8?
Yeah.
It's not that heavy.
Here, look.
How come you guys don't make the same noises when you're lifting this shit up? This is 120 pounds. You're stronger than me? This is like farm strength though. This is like,
Yes.
that's what they call it, right?
Strong back, right?
Strong back. Strong back. That's cool, right? Strong back. Farm strength. Dude, that was like 2 rocks. It is not easy. I mean, someone's got to give the audience a sense of reality here. You guys are strong motherfuckers. You know, people are gonna think these are made of styrofoam.
What? Oh, we got a scale.
Yeah, scale.
Scale.
Let's do a scale. You want to do a scale?
At 178.
All right.
It's like 100. This one's not that.
Holy shit, it's exactly 99 pounds. You said 100, it's 99 pounds. 99 pounds.
99.
The big
What's
one?
this one? This is average.
This one's average.
You hold this one for the Yep.
All right. So we started out at 178. Now we're gonna see how heavy this rock is.
What do we got?
Shit, that's 300.
We're at
That's
300?
120 pounds.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's not.
121 pounds. You're just carrying that like a beast.
In a week, you're used to it. Yeah.
And it is nothing short of boot camp. Going to the gym literally for 10 hours a day and lifting weights. Okay? So everything is good. We do the best we can and nobody gets hurt.
Good? Yeah, I'm the first person to eat shit. We get up. We fall down. We get back up.
Are you guys hungry? Alright, we're gonna go to lunch. So I took my 18-year-old brother as his birthday gift when he was 18. He came to live with me, and you know, I wanted him to actually experience the world a little bit more. So it was important that, you know, that I take him places and we do a trip together. So we went to England, in a town called Bright, England. But in England, we basically went to see a lot of castles. Like every day we went to a different castle.
Are you saying they kind of drive themselves?
Oh yeah, you guys want to see the self-driving? They like proved it pretty.
Yeah, but please have your hands close to the wheel, no? Yeah, because computers, they fail, you know.
Then we went to some castles in Italy, and then we went to Milan, which in Milan, we also visited their, in the center of Milan is a fortress. And it actually resembles the Kremlin.
I have cursed out so many times EVs in LA traffic.
Oh yeah, give them the fist.
Every time you would give me 1 cent, I would be a millionaire.
People don't know this, but in Russia, the Kremlin is also like a fortress. And it was built, they hired a bunch of engineers from northern Italy at that time to build this fortress. So it's almost very, very similar style to this fortress in Milan.
Oh, holy motherfucking shit! It is like a Porsche combustion engine.
Yeah, I got some juice.
So I think I definitely have a castle obsession. It's, that's what I like to do when I travel, especially around Europe or any city actually. I like to check out the fortresses or the castles, whatever they have.
To the pool?
Yeah.
Back to work?
I have an identical twin brother. So we literally grew up together and we spent so much time just in the forest, walking around, building tree houses and things of that nature. And when I was 9 in 3rd grade, we had to do the 3rd grade again. And it was the first time in my life that, for this kind of lifestyle, I felt like a consequence. As a 9-year-old, that was a valuable lesson. I learned to balance it. I don't know. I still somewhat feel and think the same way with my imagination and spirit as a little boy.
Now that Peter wants to start a tool company with the premise of building involved. And then your premise was overcoming stuff, which is kind of interesting. If you really want a challenge, you build things, you do things you've never done, and you attempt to start a business. That's entertaining. I've done a few, and every time it's highly entertaining, very difficult, with lots of problems. So, and you run into a lot of weird characters. So, it would be exciting. And if you make any money, we can spend it all on building more eccentric structures. Well, a lot of people who do things like they love to talk about their dreams, love to be social. That's fine too. And some people do it, but I guess then they fail. And I think the reason people don't like to fail is because then all those other people that never tried are going to judge you. I mean, I fail a lot, to be honest, often. Some businesses, some win, some lose. It feels good to win. I wouldn't say it's about what they think. It's more like what inner confidence. If you try something and you win, it feels good. So if you try something, you finish it, it feels good. Any stonemason who sees this is gonna be like, you're doing it all wrong, probably. But we're learning as we go. So.
And that goes full circle to what you were saying. A lot of people are afraid to do these things because they don't want the stonemason to make fun of them.
Yeah, they're gonna get the guy in here that what you ought to do, or you guys need more safety gear, stuff, whatever the hell people like to say when they're not in person.
Tonight we're hopping back on the plane around 9 p.m. We gotta return the rental, clean it, pack up, and head back to LA. We'll be back in LA at 1 a.m. Next week, Joachim, he's gonna stay back in LA. He's got 5 jobs, so he needs to be working and tending to also his daughters, so he won't come next week. And most of all, I'm gonna miss his company more than anything. I'm not gonna have anyone to cuddle with at night, so yeah, that's the biggest problem I see, but we'll figure things out. Hey guys, if you liked the video that you just saw, please give us a like or subscribe. We were told that we have to get to 1,000 subscribers for the show to be successful. We're not experts in YouTube or making shows or anything else, so any help is appreciated. If you can give us any suggestions or get in contact with us, please let us know. Also, Eric, he's been working really, really hard behind the scenes. He actually spends all this time creating all these cool videos for you. He's all the hard work behind all these videos. So Eric, you got something you want to tell him?
New video comes out every Sunday at noon Pacific time. And that's 3 p.m. for you Floridians.
Yeah, thank you.